to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today we have Dwayne, and Dwayne has these questions for the Plankers. As he said that, basically he wanted to ask a few questions. Now, it's a whole lot that he's speaking about, so you guys need to go and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday, and I wish you prosperity and your heart's desire for this, your beautiful birthday. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, sunshiny, and bright day today. And for those that are experiencing the snow and are shut in today, have yourselves a beautiful day as well.
Truth. My mom just turned 56, 50 something, right? You could be my mother. And that's just the truth. And see how you guys are out here conducting yourself as if you was born yesterday. That tells me many of you really are unworthy to be my presence. You're so unworthy to be my presence. And I'm ashamed I really did let myself go to the depths, to the level that many of you pushed me. And I'm being truthful. You know? I feel like I'm gonna go in my phone, in my content, and I'm gonna delete a lot of videos from my page, especially the ones where I was out here doing the nonsense things, and you guys was here cheering me. I'm gonna go in my videos. I'm gonna delete all of them because that's not me. It's not. It's not me. I know who I am, and that person's not me. And it's nothing you guys are gonna tell me that's gonna, make me shit. One thing I say is that I hope you guys are pleased. I hope all of you are pleased. That's all I would say, is I hope everyone is pleased. And in that same breath, I want to say, whether you're pleased or pleased not, you should be ashamed of yourselves. Many of you are mothers. Many of you on here are grandmothers too. I know for a fact if someone speaks so ill about your children or your grandchildren, it's going to bother your spirit. If your child calls and says, "Mom, my head hurts," and it's a continuous thing, you are going to be, so worried for them. You won't stop worrying until that pain goes away. You won't stop, because that is your belly pain. That is the pain that signifies the person that tore you, just ripped out down there and did the most. That's your pain. That's your pain. And when they pain, you pain. That is a real mom. That woman who hurts when her children hurt is a real mother. Yes. Ask me why I will always put my mom on a pedestal. Always. I don't care. I would always worship my damn mother. Not my dad. I would always worship my mom. I worship her as if she's my damn God. However, I know she's not God, but I'm always gonna worship her because she's a damn good mother. And I'm proud God blessed her to be my mother. Very proud. I'm so proud. Should I leave them alone? They're tacky. Don't think they're just tacky people who so far up these people's asses. They're so far from reality. In fact, they don't want to come back to reality. They're living in this cocoon where they think Donaghar's world is the only world that matters. These freaking old fools. Get off the live stream. Because when I'm done, I'm going to save it. I'm going to save this damn live stream. Just to show you can't take nothing down off my page. You can't. You're wasting your time. Imagine they hear reports my damn live stream for a reason. I'm not saying nothing distasteful. I'm speaking the truth. I'm speaking the flipping truth. I see in life the truth is always an offense to those who know it is the truth. You know it's the truth. This is why you're here trying. You know, I just wish people see all of you for who you are, including Donna. I wish people see all of you for who you are. That you, many of you are, you're not as clear cut as how people are claiming on you. Boy children always love their mom. And that's what I'm saying. I love my mom unconditionally. I love my mother. I love my dad too, obviously. But I love my mom more. My mom is my rock. My mom is my everything. Everything. My mother's my rock. My mother's my everything. Yeah. Can you say the same about your mothers too? You know, I know many of you, your moms are no longer a part of the living. And I'm sorry for you. You know? But just know that that road is a road every single one of us, including my mother, should have to travel it too. We're all gonna have to travel it. All of us are gonna have to travel that road. It's just that when God says come, we can't run away from it. So, you know. No, plans. You people are so disappointing. You're so disappointing. You don't realize how disappointing you really are. You have to be on the outside to see the truth for yourself. And the truth is a bitter pill to swallow. Very bitter pill. Very bitter. Very bitter pill. You don't realize. I wish I had known the truth before now. Because I'm telling you, I would have not been a part of that nonsense. I can't. I refuse to be a part of things that's basically baseless, pointless, never-ending nonsense. I dragging of children. How on earth could I, Dwayne Fletcher, be part of a group of people who does those things? Never. I wish I could go back in time and reverse that whole shit. That's what I meant, shit. I'm not saying shit because I'm saying shit. I'm saying I wish I could go back in time and reverse that shit. That, I mean, true story. Imagine all of you on my live stream. Most of you, I'm sure most of you used to comment on my page. I promise you. I bet you if I go on my fan base, let me look at something. Where's that phone? I'm sitting on it. Okay. Sonny, I'm so sorry. So sorry for you lost my love. Very sorry. Where should I go and get this thing now? I think it's here. Is it here? I forgot where to get this damn thing. I think it's here. Then I go to camera gone. I don't know where to go. I'm lost. But the thing is, I saw it today. I saw this damn thing today. I saw it today. I'm sure I saw it today. I saw it today. Now I can't see it again. You know, this was all. This was always you people's objective, is to bring people down to nothing. But you don't realize You really can't bring people down because there's always gonna be 1 or 2 people, shit, even 5 people who's always gonna like the person you're trying to bring down. So that means that person's never gonna be alone ever. I just hope you guys will pick sense out of nonsense and stop this. I don't want to stop it. I don't want to stop this. You know, nothing is wrong with doing your blogs, whatever. But you know which part I don't like is the part where you guys drag people's children. That part's so wrong, so flipping wrong. And many of you are mothers, and that's the part I cannot fathom. I just can't get it. I just can't get it. I can't. It's sad. It's so sad. I don't know where to go find this thing again. And I know I saw it today. I know I saw it today. But I don't know where to get it. Yes, please go. Because I don't know why he was here harassing me. I'm not here bothering Donna. I'm not here bothering anyone, as a matter of fact. I'm just trying to have a conversation. And here you are thinking of doing something progressive when you're not. Imagine. Life should mean more than this. Life should mean way more than this. Way, way more. But a lot of you, you've lost yourself. You lost your way. Because of who? Donna. Shit. Oh, God. Oh, and the others too. Ashanti, Porty, all of them. You lost it because of those people. And shit, you allowed them to... You allowed it. And yes, me too, at the point, I allowed it too. But hello? I'm woke. Now I'm woke. My mom passed about 2 years now. My miss are so bad. I'm so sorry, Shania. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. One day, I pray you will meet back up with her. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I don't know where this thing is gone. But I know for a fact I saw it today. But now I don't know where to go and find it. I don't know where to find it. I don't know. I don't know where to find it. I don't know where to find it. Is it here? It's not here. You know, I don't know why Facebook keep giving me this damn monetization. Because it's not like I'm making no money on here. So what's the point? Facebook needs to take back take back your damn monetized. Take it back. Take it back. I don't want it. What's the point? Whoever you are, I'll pray for you. Whoever you are, harass me, I'll pray for you, okay? You need deliverance. You need to be delivered. At this point, you are stuck in bondage. You are stuck in bondage, and I pray you find your way back to the Lord. You know, I found God, and you can find God too, okay? God is a beautiful entity, and nothing is unachievable if you put your mind to something. Nothing. But clearly right now, many of you are living for the devil himself and the she-devils themselves. You don't realize you're really selling yourself short. You are. And that is a tragedy. It's a flipping tragedy. I don't know what you guys are getting out of this. But I do hope you feel fulfilled. When my life is over, I hope you're going to be feeling fulfilled. That to know that you took that nothing. I hope, planks. Because you're very tacky people. Classless human beings. No class. Very classless people you are. I don't care. You're very classless. Who's so far up Donegal and flipping the UK people and Ashanti and Portis. You know, so far them backside on his on a keep missing. You keep missing the flipping mark. That's why you are over here right now thinking you can harass me. Go and harass a gym. I keep on telling you, most of you are big like a damn barrel. I have an excuse. My excuse is I am disabled. I'm stuck. And the doctors, they pumped me. They pumped me to save me with a lot of steroids. Steroids make you put on a lot of pounds, right? What is your excuse? Leave me alone. I don't know what you're getting out of this being on my live stream harassing for people. You know the sad thing, most of you, you don't even know these people. You think everything they show you on here is exactly what it is. Most people on here, they are out here endorsing fake life. Let me tell you something. Most of them is on here endorsing fake life. What you see is not actually what it is in reality. Open your eyes and stop being fooled. At least you know with me, what you see is what you get. Nothing over here so is fake. Nothing. I come in here every day. You see my yellow teeth, that medicine spoiled. You see me in all of my glory. Sometimes I look unkept. Sometimes I kind of put myself a little bit together. Which means what you see is exactly what you get out. There's nothing fake over here. Nothing. Nothing. And that's the truth. I'm sorry if you don't like me. Very sorry. But there's nothing I can do about that one. That was a choice for you to make. And you chose to dislike someone you don't know. You chose that path for yourself. So if you wanna unchoose that path, you find the same way you found yourself to dislike me, and you can't pinpoint a valid reason exactly what I did to you. You can't point out that reason. That's how you're gonna find yourself back to reality and stop using the same brush and paint everyone black because of people that you don't know. Imagine. Get out of here. I don't care. You're wasting your time, okay? You are wasting your time. How do I find my top fans? I don't even know. Maybe I'm doing it wrong on this phone. Maybe it was on that phone I was on where it showed it so easily. Is it here? What the hell is this now? Okay, I found it. I bet you many of you on here on this live stream. Let me see. Okay. You see? I don't care who's top fan. I don't care. That don't mean nothing to me. So I don't know why I was gonna go damn check. Forget that. That makes no sense. It's not like top fans paying me. So what's the point? Imagine all haters over here. I have top fans badge. Right? A lot of Shana, I'm telling you, a lot of them. Watch ya. Look there. So many of them. The list continues and continues. It's a big list, a very big list. Very big list. The list just goes on and on and on. And you know, I'm not scrolling again. I'm not scrolling. Because this makes no sense. It makes no sense. And Shana, do you know many of these top fans? No. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Many of these people, Shania, are plank people. I'm gonna remove their. I'm gonna remove all of their badges. You know, I'm gonna take away all of most of the top badges from my page, and just leave the few people who I know and converses with me if they have a badge. The rest you can go because you're pointless. Shania, I see you in it. I see you, my top fans. Or top supporters. I don't have no fans. I'm not famous. I see you're in it, Shania. I see Kalina in it too. My girl Kalina. Even Kim. Even oh God, so many of them. Isn't this Tia? This girl. I'm not sure. This girl. We studied together in London. Tia. We studied together. Yeah, we did business administration together. I don't know if she passed hers, but I know I passed mine. In fact, she probably did pass with distinction. You know, I just saw a page that pulled up. You know, I have nothing against them. I actually like them. This is why I don't think I would ever come back on here and say anything per se distasteful about them, even if I had laughed about some jokes that were said about them in the past.